Xin chào các bạn, ngày hôm nay mình sẽ tự học tiếng Anh với chủ đề công việc, work. Mình sẽ trả lời 5 câu hỏi. Câu hỏi thứ nhất, what do you do? Bạn làm nghề gì? Câu hỏi thứ hai, what does your job position entail? Công việc của bạn bao gồm những nhiệm vụ gì? Câu hỏi thứ ba, can you describe your tasks on a daily basis? Bạn có thể mô tả công việc của mình hàng ngày không? Câu hỏi thứ tư, what is your favorite task at work? Nhiệm vụ yêu thích nhất của bạn ở công ty là gì? Và câu hỏi cuối cùng, what is your least favorite task at work? Nhiệm vụ bạn không thích nhất ở công ty là gì?
What do you do? I am a hardware service delivery specialist for a global telecommunications company. What does your job position entail? My job involves a wide variety of tasks, but my primary responsibility is ensuring that customers' hardware failures are repaired, replaced, and returned on time to guarantee smooth operation for their network. Can you describe your tasks on a daily basis? Checking emails to see if there are any requests or support needed. Coordinating with subcontractors for pickup and delivery and handling import and export procedures. Monitoring hardware services with various repair centers. Attending review meetings and preparing reports. Addressing any arising issues and challenges. What is your favorite task at work? My favorite task is reporting during team meetings. My team consists of people from all across Asia, each speaking different languages. These meetings are a great opportunity for us to learn from each other's experience and cultural backgrounds. Each manager has a unique leadership style. In my team, everyone is friendly and supportive. In addition to my team, my line manager oversees a local team in India. I've always wondered why we all address each other by name, but the local team in India calls my manager Sir. I once tried calling him Sir, but he told me not to because we are colleagues. It was a bit difficult to understand, but I feel it's not appropriate to ask about it. What is your least favorite task at work? Managing subcontractor is the most challenging aspect of my job. Our company often lacks the necessary headcount to handle all tasks internally. Therefore, we outsource nearly every service. We are required to select global partners rather than local vendors. However, these global partners also outsource their services to local vendors, which means communication becomes indirect and often inefficient. I push my vendor, and my vendor in turn pushes their vendors.